the battle of pink powders. I have here the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake powder, and from Root Cosmetic, this Ultra High Def Studio Finish powder, also in pink. Of the look of things, the Root Cosmetics is a lot pink, is more pinkish. It's pinkier than the Huda Beauty. My goal here is to see how they both apply on the skin. Which is better, which is more blurring, which is more highlighting, which is more finely milled. I have played around with both of them on the back of my hand. This is the Huda Beauty, and on this finger, let me get a fair amount. This is Root Cosmetics. Let's add a little more to the Root Cosmetics. Okay, so let's see how they both apply. I've already gotten the face done, but we can touch up the under eye and see the result of the two. I have here the puff here I use from, we're gonna go ahead and tap off the excess. And this one would be Huda Beauty on this side of the face. Nice and blurring. Melts into the skin. Brightening. Do you guys see any difference as far as brightening under the eye? Yes, you can. On the other side, which would be this side, I'm gonna turn that around to apply the Root Cosmetics. Again, it's a lot more pigmented than Huda Beauty. We're gonna do the same thing, and we go with Root Cosmetics under this eye. Can y'all tell the difference? Can you really tell the difference? Root Cosmetics, Huda Beauty. Tell me about it. For the fraction of the price of Huda Beauty, we have this Root Cosmetics mineral setting powder on this side and full Huda Beauty on that side. Does it look different? Does one look better than the other? You guys let me know in the comment below, because I'm head over heels for the Root Cosmetics. Not only in my opinion, I don't see any difference. They both give me the same result, but this is a lot cheaper, probably $4.99. This was spotted $4, and this at full price. You tell me what you think.